Today I'm going to teach you how to generate a PIN access code for point of sale in Shopify. This is essential for securing your physical store transactions and ensuring only authorized staff can access your POS system. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with admin privileges, as you'll need full access to generate these security codes. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can see your store's dashboard on the left side of the screen. Locate and click on Settings. This is your central hub for all store configurations and security features. Clicking this will open up a new menu with various setting categories. Now within the settings area, look at the left side panel again. You'll see a list of different setting options. Click on Users to expand this section. Right underneath it, you should see an option labeled Security. Go ahead and click on Security to access your store's security settings. This is where Shopify allows you to manage all authentication and access controls for your team members. Once you're in the security section, scroll down until you find the Collaborators section. This area displays all the access codes currently active for your point of sale system. You'll notice there's already an access code visible in this section, which might be an existing code that's currently in use. To create a fresh access code, simply click on Generate New Code. The moment you click this button, Shopify will automatically create a new PIN access code for your point of sale system. This new code will replace any previous codes and can be shared with your team members who need POS access. And there you have it. You've successfully generated a new PIN access code for your Shopify point of sale. Your team can now use this code to securely access the POS system during transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.